Hey guys, so I seen this picture in a Facebook group and wanted to give it a try. I'm using forms because these practice hands, the fingertips are so wide, so I have to file them down just so that they would look like more natural fingernails, you know? I'm honestly not used to using forms. They're really difficult for me. I don't know, but you know, it did the job. It's okay. I had to use the forms because the square tips that I have a super C-curve, so they just wouldn't fit on the fake nail. I'm just gonna do this to all the nails and get them built up. Now I'm gonna file these and get the shape a little better. I'm not perfect yet, that's okay. Go follow me on Instagram. Yo, she be looking a lot better, okay? So I'm gonna go in with a corally pink gel polish. And I'm gonna do 2 coats of that. This color is probably one of my favorite colors that I have. I love it. But now I'm gonna do some hearts, and then I'm gonna outline them in black gel polish. Now I'm going to do this nail. It's supposed to be like stitching. It was my first attempt, so it's not perfect, but that's okay. Now I'm about to do this scream guy, which took me 2 tries because I don't know, it was kind of hard. It seems easy, but it was not. I was using a gel paint at first with that white and it sucked, so I went in with gel polish. She's bright now, boy. Now I'm trying to add some details like I seen in the picture. It could be better. That's okay. Now listen, I don't know what happened to the clip where I actually painted these drips. I'm sorry, I don't know. But now I'm outlining these hearts again because I felt like they could be a little darker. Now to do the top coat and show you guys the final product. I hope you guys liked it. Please comment, like, subscribe, and share. Thanks, bye.